Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can shoot on Call of Duty Mobile. For everyone out there who's just started with Call of Duty Mobile, if you wanna learn how to shoot in the game, then this video is for you. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open your Call of Duty mobile game on your mobile device. Once you do that, make sure you're logged into your account. From the right hand side corner, select either multiplayer or battle royale mode. Once you've made your selection, tap the start button in order to start the game. Once you start the game, go and move your left thumb and move your character around the screen. Now, on the right hand side, after you go ahead and encounter an enemy, simply tap on the aim icon and then aim your weapon at your enemy. Now tap the bullet button in order to shoot, and you'll be able to shoot on Call of Duty Mobile. Pretty easy, isn't it? If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.